Ekintu ekikiretire mu ishengyero wa Nyabushozi mu district ya Kiruhuro kurugaya kashaba government n'ebitongore byayo ahagati y'ekitongore cy'enshonga zo munda ecyagenda hamwe na foreign affairs kukoragana bakacondoza umuringo gumwe ogwa kuyamba ihangeri obwo abantu barukutunga emirimo aheeru batarikubonabonesibwa. Ogu ayongire yagira ngo abantu benje barikubonabonesibwa mu ihanga nibaba batweirweyo mu muringo gw'ekishobobo ngo kandi ko barikuhikayo baguza za paasipooti zaabo rero batandika kubonabona.
Iyo kizibu cya nambo z'ikintu kureba n'abandi bamwe ba parliament kwakoza ko kwa aheeru bareba ababa torokire abari mu hande etakire kubonabona babonabona ako tugenze imihanda tubakora imihanda ikiro ya government koko baza kwetunda baza kubata babakwata batumu umupolisi babatumu mu campus bakubatamu ko gataro umuntu ugenze ukora mu campus ya Uganda yahandikiwe na minister ugenda ngo umwana aba ngo abunamboza rugamba
wo munyishengyero habwa mukono bete namboze ebiro bice bihingwira kashaba speaker w'ishengyero rya koboranya ngo minister ijarete cyandiko ekirukwata abana barikuza aheeru bakabonabonesibwa.
Some have fallen down. A number of them have committed suicide because they really at times get to be hard pressed, and some of them have committed. They are made to wash toilets barehanded. They are not fed. When they get sick, they are not taken to hospital. Mr. Speaker, it is so sad.
Gasha kwa Jime Muhumuza.